Hello, friends. So I'm Rachna here again with the words of Kabir. He says that कबीर यह तनु जात है, सके तो लोहू बहोरी, नंगे हाथों ते गए जिनके लाठी करोड़ी। मीन्स ये शरीर नश्वर है, ये नष्ट होने वाला है, अब भी संभल जाओ, इसे संभाल लो। जिसके पास लाखों करोड़ों की संपत्ति थी वो खाली हाथ गए हैं। जिसने जीते जी संपत्ति जोड़ने में लगे रहे वो कुछ सार्थक नहीं कर पाए। जीवन को दिशा दो, कुछ भले काम कर लो। ही सेज दैट दोज हु केप्ट अर्निंग मनी, केप्ट earning resources and power, and they were proud of that, they were lost in that, their lives were lost in that, and they could not do anything good. They left without anything what they have joined, collected, and they had to leave this world without all those things. So no point of this much of collection. Just live your life and collect that much is needed, and then collect whatever your collection is, use that for the service of mankind, so that you will be leaving behind the legacy of good work, and you will not have to go empty handed. Otherwise this body will always go empty handed, nothing will go with us. Then he says, हूं तन तो सब बन भया, करम भये कुहांडी, आप कु काटी है, कहे कबीर बिचारी। यह शरीर तो सब जंगल के समान है, हमारे कर्म ये कुल्हाड़ी के समान है, इसका हम खुद को काट रहे हैं। ये बात सभी कबीर जी भी कहते हैं। कबीरा सेज, एंड कबीर सेज दैट we this our work is like the axe, and this body is like the woods, and we are cutting it down continuously. So it is going to end one day, like the woods we keep cutting and they will end. So this body is also going to end. So before it ends, we should do some good things. We should understand the meaning of life and live it at the fullest with full of happiness, rather than collecting just the woods and ending uh, the forest at the end of the day. Then he says, तेरा संगी कोई नहीं जब स्वार्थ बंधी लोई, मन प्रतीति न उपजे, जीव बेसास न होई। He says, तेरा साथी कोई भी नहीं जब मनुष्य स्वार्थ से सब मनुष्य स्वार्थ से बंधे हुए हैं। जब तक उसकी प्रतीति है, भरोसा है, का तुम्हारा को एक आभास है, और जब उसका काम खत्म हो जाता है, बंदे का स्वार्थ खत्म हो जाता है, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं। तो मीन्स there is no relative of yours, there is no lover of yours, there is nothing. You need to be full of love and spread it. That's it. Don't expect anything in return, and go ahead, keep doing good works, because there is no relative, nothing. When this body is to get ended, you will have to go alone on the next journey, and no one is going to be with you. Then he says, सातों शब्द जो बाजते, घरी घरी होते राग, ते मंदिर खाली परे परे बैसन लगे काग. Means all those many story buildings um, and houses and temples, all those are now damaged, and only the bats and crows are from there. मतलब वो घर जहाँ सातों स्वर गूंजते थे, उत्सव मनाए जाते थे, आज खाली पड़े हैं, वहाँ काग बोलते हैं। एक समय एक जैसा नहीं रहता, टाइम नेवर रिमेन्स द सेम. Where there were good things, now bad things happening, bad things were there, and good things are happening. So time is bound to change. Do something good when you can do, while you have time in your hand. So Kabir says that stay away from all these worldly affairs and pomp and show, whether that is religious or social, because once you are fallen into trap of all this pomp and show, then your life is gone out of your hands. So, and your time, because you will be performing all those rituals, social or religious, and your life is gone because you have limited time in this one short life. So just stay away from that and use your time somewhere else for the good works, the humankind. Then he says, कबीरा कहा गर्भियो, ऊंची देखी आवास, काली पर्यो बुलेट ना उपरी जामे खास. Means if you are owner of multi-story building, need not be proud of that. That is bound to be damaged. If you are owner of in possession of a beautiful body, need not be proud of, because it is going to get ended with your death. And howsoever high may be the building, it will go down and mix with the same sand again. So, need not be proud of anything under the sky. Rather, just keep doing your work and remembering the Almighty, so that your life is worth it and your works will speak even after your death. That is the only way to live the life at its fullest, as Kabir says. So I love Kabir basically because of this, that because he never left his work. He kept feeding his, performing all the responsibilities connected with his family, and still he was away from all this social pomp and show, and he was hitting hard at all the superstitions and other false practices. So we need to learn a lot from him. All the best, guys. Thank you.